I'll be straight with you. This thing handles email, scheduling, and CRM updates for $49.99 a month. And after running it for 30 days, I replaced a 5-person VA setup with it. Lindy AI is a no-code agent platform. You describe the job in plain English. It builds the agent. I tested it head-to-head against a real 5-person VA team. Here's what happened. Each Lindy is its own agent you set up once. One Lindy triages your inbox, writes draft replies, books meetings through Calendly, and updates HubSpot without you touching anything. Drop a comment. Which of those tasks kills the most of your day? Setup took me 17 minutes. 7-day free trial, no card needed. Plus, plan, $49.99 a month. Pro, $99.99. Max, $199.99. All credit-based. Extra credits are $10 per $1,000. Phone calls run 0 to 19 per minute using GPT-4o. 5 junior VAs cost $5,000 a month at minimum. Lindy Plus, $49.99. That's a 99% cost drop. Response time is seconds, not hours. It runs 24/7 with no sick days. Are you still paying for a VA team? Drop it in the comments. Score 8.8 out of 10. Lindy wins on price and how deep the automation goes. Weak spot. Anything needing real judgment still needs a person. For solo founders and small teams running lean, this is a no-brainer. What would you automate first? Link in the description. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews.